in this video, I'm going to be breaking some serious thing that you guys need to know about the rich people. Because the rich people, most of them, almost all of them, they don't want you guys to know this. But trust me, I'm going to show you guys, because I'm the type of person who do a lot of research. When it comes to research, I'm number one in that, because if I see something, because I normally want to know the details about that, and I've discovered this. You are just seeing the rich people. Why is it that just their videos up and down? Why? Ask yourself. They are popular, but still they are giving videos out there. Why? Ask yourself about that. Why are they still doing that? I know. I just want to give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. If you are able to get it, just comment it, put it in the comment section. But I'm about to show you. They are already popular, but they feel like they are still not popular the way they want it to be. And it's also an advertisement. So they want to talk more about themselves so that people can get to trust them more. That means the more you advertise yourself, the more you get trusted. So guys, don't be left out. Don't be the type who is always somewhere in the corner and you are not putting your content out there on social media. Be the type who is putting your content out there on social media. Nowadays, social media is full of opportunities, so you can do anything on social media and you'll get paid for that. Just put it in mind. And they are putting webinars left and right, and they are saying it's for free. It's not free. Let me show you. When you are to sign into the webinar, they are going to collect your emails, and later on you're going to be seeing their emails, and they'll be telling you that, oh, they have released an offer, you can get it for 50% off and other things. Guys, that's marketing. Have you seen? That's marketing. They will sign, you sign the free webinar, they'll take you through the webinar, and sometimes through the webinar they are going to be selling. They will sell you something there. Maybe they can sell you ebook, they can sell you course there. So nothing is free on the internet. Actually, you can get it, you can get free stuff. But let me tell you, somebody say that, oh, I'm offering this for free, online, and it's going to be on this day till these days. Make sure you sign, and there's a link there, and there, my friend, it's not bad. Sign it, it's not bad. But just know that, okay, after that, they are going to still use your research to do marketing. Oh, you can't, I say, oh, I'm lying or so. You can just, if you think I'm lying, just put it in the comment section that you have ever want to sign for a webinar and they didn't collect your details, and maybe they just say, they are going to collect your email. And all the time, they are going to be notifying you that, oh, the date is this day and this day. And when they finish, you are going to be receiving emails about them, telling you that, oh, they are having an offer, they are doing this, doing that, everything. That's marketing. So market yourself out there. And more to the point, when you are on social media and you build following, you are having audience there and you build. There's no way that you can't do affiliate marketing. Everybody that will tell you that, oh, they are doing affiliate marketing and they are making more freeway. My friend, if you are going to do and be going to people's DM and be DMing them, you're going to suffer a lot, and at the end of the day, it's difficult that you may not even get sale. That's the case. But let's say you have already built the audience, you are having about 10 to 100,000 followers, and you are not just having an offer. You can just put the offer out there, and if possible, if all is not going to maybe patronize it, maybe about 5,000 people out of 100,000 is going to patronize your product, and they are going to buy it and they are going to enjoy it. So that's marketing. So guys, market yourself out there. Don't be left behind. And I want to wonder, why are you not creating content? Why are you not creating content? I know some people will be saying that, oh, there is data, so if I tell you my story, you will say, oh, your own is even maybe it's just something simple. So if I tell you my story, you will say your own is it's just something simple that your own, you don't need to even complain about that. But I still do something out there. So make sure use this video as an opportunity to also market yourself out there. And one day you come back to this video and thank me later. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.